If your Chrome extensions are not syncing across your devices, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a super common issue, especially if you use Chrome on more than one computer, or if you recently signed into a new browser and your extensions just aren't showing up the way they should. The good news is that in most cases, the fix is simple, and you can get everything syncing again in just a few minutes. Before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this one. It really helps the channel, and it tells me to keep making these helpful videos for you. Alright, let's start first and most important step. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome extensions normally sync through your Google account, so everything depends on your browser being connected properly. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where you can check whether you're signed into the correct Google account. If you use more than one account, this is a very common place where the problem starts. Make sure you are using the same account on every device where you want your extensions to appear. Now that you've confirmed the account, the next step is to turn on Chrome Sync. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then go into Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section called You and Google. This is where Chrome keeps your account and sync options. If sync is turned off, your extensions may not transfer between devices even if you are signed in. Click Turn on Sync and follow any prompts that appear. Once sync is enabled, Chrome can start sharing your browsing data, settings, and extensions with your signed-in devices. If your extensions still are not syncing after that, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Chrome Sync requires a stable, active connection to work correctly. If your Wi-Fi is weak, unstable, or dropping in and out, Sync may fail silently in the background. So make sure your device is connected to the internet, refresh Chrome, and give it a little time to sync. Sometimes it doesn't happen instantly, especially if you just turned sync on. Now, if only one extension is not syncing, the issue may be with that specific extension rather than Chrome itself. In that case, go back to the three dots menu, click Extensions, and then choose Manage Extensions. Find the extension that is causing the issue and remove it. After that, reinstall it from the Chrome Web Store. Reinstalling can often fix broken extension files, account mismatches, or corrupted extension data that prevents syncing from working properly. Once it is installed again, sign in if the extension requires it, and then check whether it appears on your other devices. Another very important fix is clearing your Chrome cache. Sometimes corrupted cache files can interfere with sync services and stop Chrome from updating extensions the way it should. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. From here, select Cached Images and Files. You do not always need to clear everything else unless you want to, but cached files are a great place to start when Chrome is acting up. Then click Delete Data. After that, restart Chrome and see if your extensions begin syncing again. If the problem still continues, give Chrome a moment and check whether sync is active on the other device as well. Sometimes the browser needs a refresh, a sign out and sign in, or a little extra time to fully catch up. In many cases, simply making sure you are signed into the right account, enabling sync, and clearing corrupted cache is enough to solve the issue. So to quickly recap, open Google Chrome, verify the correct Google account, turn on sync under You and Google, make sure your internet is stable, reinstall any extension that is specifically causing trouble, and clear your Chrome cache if needed. That combination fixes most Chrome extension syncing problems. If this video helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.